Welcome back to my channel. As you can tell by the title of today's video, I have a unboxing and review of Sunflower Jewels. I am super excited about this video. I'm so happy that Sunflower Jewels reached out to me and wanted to work with me on this video, and I'm super excited to show you guys the cute pieces that they sent me. So if you're interested in seeing what I picked up from Sunflower Jewels, keep watching. Whether or not you're new here, please take a second to make sure you're hitting that little red subscribe button, as well as turning your post notifications on. So every single time I upload a video, you'll get a little notification and you can stop by, see what I'm unboxing, what I'm reviewing, all of that good stuff. Before we get into today's video, I want to give a big shout out to Sunflower Jewels for contacting me and partnering up with me for this video and sending me these really cute pieces. I do have a discount code so you can save 30%, and that code is Amber30. Sunflower Jewels has a ton of cute pieces on their site. They have everything from personalized jewelry. They even have things like keychains, slippers. They have everything on Sunflower Jewels. So my code Amber30 will save you an extra 30% off. You definitely want to check them out. And yeah, I think it's time for us just to get right into this unboxing. So I am going to be inserting some close-up clips of each of the pieces, each of the jewelry pieces Sunflower Jewels sent out to me. But I did want to go ahead and show you guys how cute the stuff actually comes packaged. And so you're going to receive a box like this, and it's super cute. And then inside, what I thought was super cute was they actually included like a little sticker page with like really cute stickers, no bad days, just really cute little stickers. And I thought that was a little cute extra add-on. So I don't want to show you one of the items they sent me, but basically all the jewelry comes in little velvet pouches that say Sunflower Jewels on them. And then inside, each item is actually double packaged, which I love, so you know that more than likely it's not going to get damaged during shipping or anything like that. So then they come in these little bags inside of those pink satin bags. So that's how my order came packaged, and I think it's super cute. I love the box. I think the box is so cute. I love the color of it. But I definitely had to say that the items come packaged really well, and it's not like a whole bunch of stuff just thrown in like a bubble mailer. So the presentation and the packaging was really great in my opinion. So let's get right into what Sunflower Jewels sent me. So the very first item I'm super excited about, and this is actually, it's not a jewelry item. It's actually a plush, but this is the Reversible Octopus that went viral on TikTok. I'll insert like a little clip or something. This is the Emotion Reverse Octopus, and this goes for $16.99 on Sunflower Jewels. But literally this thing went viral on TikTok because basically you can tell your emotions with just this little plush guy. So if you're happy, there's this little happy side, and then if you're not feeling it, okay. So I thought this was super cute, and it's just really super cute. And if you're into TikTok, if you're into viral videos, if you watch the Reversible Octopus videos, some of them are so funny. So this was definitely something that I would never pick up for myself, but I'm super glad that Sunflower Jewels sent it over to me. This is the little rose necklace, which retails for $31. It is a gold-toned pendant on a chain. Both the pendant and the chain itself have a lot of weight. It seems very durable, and it really is a beautiful piece. These These are the Sun and Moon midi rings, which retail for $25.99. They are adjustable. It's a little hard for you to see the details on them, but it's a cute sun and moon design. These are so cute for every day. Now, this piece is the Cinderella ring, which happens to be one of Sunflower Jewels' best sellers. It's always going out of stock. It retails for $34.99, and I cannot get over how this ring sparkles. It is stunning in real life, on camera. This is a must-have. Thank you again to Sunflower Jewels for working with me on this video. Do not forget to shop Sunflower Jewels and use my code AMBER30. These pieces are stunning. You guys have to check out Sunflower Jewels. So this is the Cinderella ring, and as you can see, it has a ton of sparkle. This ring retails for $34.99, and this is actually one of Sunflower Jewels' best sellers, and I completely see why. I mean, it gives what it needs to give. Like, it is giving what it needs to give. So now that you've seen the close-ups of these items, I also wanted to just say that the quality of these jewelry pieces is actually really outstanding for the price. I don't like when I buy jewelry and it just kind of feels cheap. It feels like it'll break. It just doesn't really have weight to it. And I feel like all the pieces from Sunflower Jewels just feel like great quality pieces, like they're gonna last, they're gonna be able to be worn more than once. I hate nothing more than when you buy like a cute piece of jewelry and you can only wear it once. I just think that's ridiculous. Like, it'll break, it just disappears off your wrist. Like, I just hate things that are made cheap. So I definitely must say that Sunflower Jewels definitely gets an A+ as far as quality goes. And like I said earlier in the video, I do have a code for you to save 30% off your order, and that code is AMBER30. So you definitely want to make sure you're checking out Sunflower Jewels, placing your order, and entering my code. I am extremely impressed with the quality of the pieces from Sunflower Jewels, as well as the quality and creativity put into the packaging. I love the stickers being a little cute little extra. I'm absolutely impressed, and I highly recommend you shopping Sunflower Jewels. Like I said, they have everything from personalized jewelry to AirPod cases, keychains. They even have cute slippers. So you definitely don't want to miss their sale, and you don't want to miss using my code AMBER30 to save you a little extra coin. But overall, I'm super impressed. I've already gone ahead and placed another order with Sunflower Jewels. Again, thank you so much to Sunflower Jewels for partnering with me on this video. I love the pieces, and I can't wait to see what my next order from Sunflower Jewels brings. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure you're leaving a thumbs up, as well as making sure you're subscribed to my channel. And as always, I will see you guys in the next video.